Hello, you're welcome to this channel again, and in today's math tutorial we want to solve this JEE Advanced math problem. So we are going to designate the first equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, as equation 1. Then the second equation, which is capital A x squared plus the capital bx plus the capital c equals to 0, as equation 2. Now, from the very first equation and using Vieta's formula, if you are yet to see a tutorial on Vieta's formula, check the link in the description of this video. So from equation 1, the sum of roots by Vieta's formula, and given that the roots of the first equation are alpha and beta, so alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Let us call that 3, while the product of the roots, even for the first equation, alpha beta is c over a, we can call that 4. Now, similarly from the second equation, still using Vieta's formula, the sum of the roots for that equation, where the roots of this second equation are alpha plus k and beta plus k, where k is a constant. So the sum of the roots is alpha plus k plus beta plus k, and this is minus b over a, upper cases of the letter. Let us start that one 5, while the product of the roots of that equation will be alpha plus k multiplying beta plus k, and that is c, capital C over capital A. Let us start that 6. So we're going to keep this as they are going to be needed as we continue the solution. Now, with that done, we want to show that b squared minus 4ac over a squared, all in lower cases, will be equal to the ones in capital cases, upper cases, b squared minus 4ac over a squared. So it is simple algebraic manipulations that we'll be doing here. Starting with the left hand side, we have that b squared minus 4ac over a squared is going to be b squared over a squared minus 4ac over a squared. And this can be written as b over a all squared minus 4 times c over a. We can further write b over a squared, being a square, so that it fits into the Vieta's formula as minus b over a all squared and minus 4 times c over a, where minus b over a, according to Vieta's formula, is the sum of roots. Thus, we have the left-hand side to be equal to alpha plus beta all squared, that's minus b over a all squared, which is the sum of roots, and minus 4 c over a is the product of roots, that's alpha beta. Expanding alpha plus beta squared will give us alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared and minus 4 alpha beta. This becomes alpha squared minus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared, which we can factor as alpha minus beta squared as a perfect square. That is what the left-hand side becomes. Now going for the right-hand side, where we have capital B squared minus 4ac over a squared, all in capitals. And this, like the previous one, becomes minus b over a all squared minus 4 times c over a. Now, capital minus b over capital A is the sum of roots of the second equation, which is alpha plus k plus beta plus k, and that will be squared, then minus 4 c over a is the product of roots, which is alpha plus k times beta plus k, Now the bracket when opened up gives alpha plus k squared plus 2 alpha plus k beta plus k plus beta plus k squared and minus 4 alpha plus k times beta plus k. This will give us alpha plus k all squared minus 2 times alpha plus k beta plus k plus beta plus k all squared. This is another perfect square that can factor out as alpha plus k minus beta plus k all squared. Then working on what we have in the bracket, we'll be having alpha plus k minus beta minus k all squared. Here, k take out minus k, leaving us with alpha minus beta all squared. This is the same thing as we have for the left hand side. So in that case, the left hand side and the right hand side simplifies to the same thing, which is alpha minus beta squared. And by implication, it simply means that b squared minus 4ac over a squared is definitely equal to the capital B squared minus 4 capital A times capital C over the capital A squared. And everything is eventually alpha minus beta squared. Proved. Did you enjoy this video? Please like, share, and comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be updated about our math tutorial. Thank you.